How to block a channel from YouTube mobile. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily block any channels on YouTube. The first thing you're going to have to do is open YouTube, and then from here, you can just go ahead and find the channel that you want to block or that you don't want to be recommended. So let's say I have this video right here from Associated Press. I can tap on these three dots. YouTube does not have a direct way to block the channels, so you can just click on this "Don't Recommend Channel" option. And if you are a channel creator, you can block certain users from commenting on your video. But if you are just a viewer, you don't need that option. So you could just click on this "Don't Recommend Channel" option. The next thing you can try to do is go to the channel. So just go ahead and tap on the channel's profile. And once you land on the channel page, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. And if you manage YouTube Kids account, you'll have an option to block the channel for your children or the accounts that you manage on YouTube Kids. And you can also hide users from your channel. So if you do this, you can hide existing and future comments from this user on your channel. So tap on hide users and they won't be able to comment on your channel. They will be hidden and their video will not be recommended to you as well. That's how you basically block a user on YouTube. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.